Hello my beautiful braiders and welcome back to my channel. As you've probably noticed from the thumbnail and the title of this video, today we will do something completely different. I'll be showing you two methods how you can blend your short to medium hairstyle with your hair extensions, and if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So I've put my hair extensions in, and if I turn from the back, you would notice this layer of hair that we obviously want to hide. And the easiest method for you to do that is by using a hair topper. So today I'll be using one from a company called Unirix. I'm using the same brand of hair extensions today. I will make sure to leave a link from all of the products that I'll be using in this video in the description box down below. This one is 20 inches long, so it's pretty long. And unlike other brands out there, this company offers really long hair toppers. It comes in the shade Creamy Ice. And it comes with dark roots, so you don't have to worry about doing the roots. It's more natural looking. It's Remy human hair, so you can style it, curl it, wash it as you would your own hair. So it's 8 by 7 inches. It's mono-based and it has middle parting. The parting is really natural looking, so nobody would notice that you wear a hair topper. And the way that I install this hair topper is either right at my natural hairline or just a few inches back. So let me just show you how easy and quick it is to install it. It has 5 clips on it, so it's really secure and you don't have to worry about the hair topper falling off. And that's it. So when I turn, you'll notice that the line is already gone and it's perfectly blended with the hair extensions. And so the other thing that I love about using a hair topper is that I can put it on a mannequin and do some cute braids and then just apply it on my head. So that will save me a lot of time. The other thing that I love about using a hair topper is that I would save the integrity of my hair by not bleaching it so much. We all know how bleach can damage your own hair, so you can be blonde all the time by using a hair topper and give your hair a break. So for the second method, I'll be using as little for my own hair as possible. So I'll be sectioning my hair in 2 parts and I'll clip away the top part. And with the other half of my hair, I will do a French braid. If you don't know how to French braid, that's okay. You can just pull your hair and wrap it around and then pin it with some bobby pins. Once we tucked in the bottom part, then we'll start applying the hair extensions. So there you have it. Those were the 2 methods, and with the second method you would probably have to tease your hair around the crown area just to kind of cover all the hair extensions because we put them really high. And that's it. Hope you guys liked this video and find it helpful, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and let me know what kind of videos would you like to see more on my channel. I see that a lot of you are enjoying those do-it-yourself short to medium hairstyles that I do on my sale lately. So is that something that you would like me to continue, or would you rather see me doing the hairstyles on a mannequin? So that's it for today's video. I'll hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!